Hello everyone, welcome to IELTS Energy TV. I am your host, Jessica Beck, and today we are going to get into some grammar. You are going to learn how to use the very high level and impressive linking word, albeit. That is a difficult one, albeit. Okay, so this is really interesting. It's really difficult to nail, but I'm gonna teach you exactly how to use it correctly today. So, the reason why I thought about this is because in our course, the 3 Keys IELTS Success System, we have a Facebook group, and every Monday I post 7+ insider tips of the week. And this was one of the tips recently about using albeit to raise cohesion coherence scores in writing. However, I noticed that students had a difficult time using it correctly. So of course I corrected them then, but I thought I would do a video about this for all of you guys. All right, so what does albeit mean? Albeit is very similar to although, okay? I think it's more specific and easier to understand it's not just although, all right? It's more like despite it being blah, blah, blah. How we use it, why we use it is to introduce, to connect a negative to something that was just said, usually a positive statement, okay? The grammar, however, is also tricky, not just the meaning. It'll become clear in a minute when you get the examples, but the grammar, okay? It cannot be followed by an independent clause, subject, verb, object. Cannot do that, okay? You can only follow albeit with a noun or noun clause, adverb clause, or adjective clause, okay? I'll give you an example of each right now. Let's get into it. So here's your first example with the adjective. I'm packing for my trip, albeit hesitantly. Adverb, sorry, not adjective. I'm packing for my trip, albeit hesitantly. So see, I have a statement, I'm packing for my trip, but then I want to add a little negative characteristic about it, like I'm hesitating, I'm doing it slowly for some reason, okay? Guys, remember I put all these example sentences and stuff below the video, so look at that for these structures. Okay, next example. This is one you could use on the test for sure. My English is actually quite good, albeit slightly accented. That is such a fantastic sentence. My English is actually quite good, albeit slightly accented. All right, so again, positive statement, I got great English, and then follow with a slight negative, right? Although I still have an accent, all right? Again, look at the sentences below this video. Last example. This is also great for IELTS speaking and writing. Now, just quick tip, guys, high-level linking words like albeit. Don't use it in informal answers, all right? This is best for writing task 2 and speaking part 3. All right, here's a sentence you could use in speaking part 3. Technology has greatly added to our entertainment options, albeit with some detrimental material. So good, so good. So there was that noun clause after albeit. Okay, guys, practice this structure. Comment on this video with your own example sentences using albeit, all right? And remember, we have a web class coming up. I know you're studying IELTS, but guys, you want to speak English in the real world. You want to be confident. You want to start conversations in English without fear. This is what the web class is about. Sign up now. Go to allearsenglish.com/brave. All right. The web class will be November 27th and November 28th. Put it in your calendars. Come live, because that is how you get the special bonus offer, and you can ask Lindsay and I questions. And finally, guys, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, subscribe, like this video, share it if you think it will help people you know. Okay. Well, that was a lot of words. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.
bonus tip. Get a 7 or higher with the All Ears English app, featuring exclusive bonus video lessons with Jessica, Lindsay, and Michelle. Get the app now at allearsenglish.com/app.